Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show the soft silk saree with a kanchi style border in a petha size golden zari weaves and entire the body, heritage theme inspired designs with a storytelling pen kalamkari detailing in entire the body parts. We have more than 4,500 plus designs, different category, affordable price point and multi-color range available in our website. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device, both device available Vastranand our application. And our customer care number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call with we providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive. After you place the order, we are committed to dispatch in within a 3 working days and you receive the shipment next 4 to 5 working days. Let's start the video. Here you can see the first color combination, the dark bottle green color combination, ombre pattern, storytelling pen kalamkari designs, and elegant the navy blue color combination, the kanchi border part with elegant the golden zari waves. Here you can see the full look of this saree. Entire the body parts, you receive the big size miniature pen kalamkari fusions, human body detailing in entire the body. With negative parts, you receive the ombre pattern and dark brown color combination, the temple border in upper part of this body parts as well as the golden zari border part. Let me show you the elegant rich pallu with a dark brown color combination. Here you can see the dark brown color combination, the golden zari waves, the rich pallu parts. Let me show you the full look of this saree. Here you can see the full look of this saree, very beautifully crafted, the storytelling detailing in entire the body parts with a dark bottle green color combination, and upper parts you receive the light green color ombre pattern with a brown color combination ikat patterns in entire the border part in both side of this saree. This saree you received at just rupees 1,495, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Here you can see the dark brown color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. Let me show you the last but not the least, but if you like our collection, then like చేయండి, share చేయండి, subscribe చేయండి our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different categories and different items. So must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. And if you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call services are also available in our Vastranand. So must be book your slot one day before via customer care executive number 8154000063, our customer care number. Let me show you the last designs. Here you can see the very beautifully crafted the big size detailing. Here you can see assume the big size pen kalamkari fusions next to the pure detailing entire the body parts with a maroon color combination kanchi border part with as well as the maroon color combination the rich pallu part. Here you can see the full look of the saree, the big size, the very beautifully crafted, the meenakari detailing of this pen kalamkari fusions with a human miniature design, storytelling patterns in entire the body part. Let me show you another patterns also. Here you can see the very beautifully crafted, the Pichwai fusions, the Bharatnatyam fusions, the storytelling detailing in entire the body part. The saree you received at just rupees 1,450, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. It's red color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Meri. Buy now at Vastranand.in.